Hey everybody, I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and I hope you are happy, healthy, and safe today. I have been coloring this little quilt, this cozy quilt from the Cozy Girl coloring book, and some of my Five Below markers are drying out already. You can see here. So I actually found this set at TJ Maxx, and I'm hoping that maybe it's a little better quality than, I haven't opened it yet. It's got a little zip tie here that I got to cut off. So I'm hoping that they're a little bit better quality, but look at the cute tag. I'll be using that in my junk journal for sure. Let's open this up and see if I can find the closest one to, to this, which I think is this. 67 Blue Pastel. I wonder if it's the same brand. Artist Concepts. This doesn't have branding on it, but this does. They look the same to me. Oh well. Let's see if I can. It's a little darker actually. Okay, so it's definitely juicier than the other one. How'd that get on there? Don't know. But get this one finished, and then I'll do this one down here in the same color. And then I have to do the threading of the stitching of the little quilt. Okay, so we have that. Let's get this one done. Yeah, it's definitely juicier than the other one was. I hope they're all juicier, because not all of the Five Below ones were drying out. Just these two, well, that I know of. I haven't tried all of them. What color should we do for the stitching? Maybe I will do purple. Let's do vivid purple. Oops, somebody's got something ready in the microwave. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, it's almost like brown. It's so dark. Am I the only one that has trouble sometimes telling the difference between purple and brown in the dark? Well, not the complete dark, but you know what I mean. It is drying a little bit lighter. It's just a nice purple that I did not have in my other set. I think this is going to be cute. So I will swatch these, and I'm going to swatch them right here. I got a brand new piece of cardstock behind this blank page so we don't see anything behind it. And I'm just going to do a swatch of, well, maybe I'll do both sides. There we go. This one is Artist Concepts brand, and this one is number 2 Old Red, and it kind of looks like brick in real life. I don't know what it looks like to you guys. Now we're going to add Rose Red. There's no number 1. Rose Red. Make sure I got my thing under there. I'm probably speeding this up because it's going to take forever. I don't know how many there are. I didn't count. I wonder if there's other sets that have other numbers in them. This is Vivid Pink. to cut to music. So I've got quite a few more done, but I just wanted to show you that this one has leaked on me, and it's worrying me a little bit that we might not have as much ink in it as should be there. Alright, so here is all the colors, and I had no idea there were so many grays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different shades of gray. Now with this Cool Gray 3, unfortunately, this one is okay, that side, but I can't, see, this one's stuck. I gotta figure out how to get this out now. So anyway, I did pay $14.99 for these, so I'm a little disappointed that one was leaking and one is broken. Look it, I got this all over me. And it doesn't come off with a baby wipe very easily. So I was able to fix it. I just took my little pliers and pulled this part out of the lid, and it seems to be okay now. It's hard to open it and it's not pulling out, so I think it's going to be okay. But I didn't actually test it, so let's do that. Gotta get my other paper back under there. That's one thing I didn't realize about alcohol markers, was that they really seep through paper. So anyway, you can decide if you would like to buy these from TJ Maxx. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll stick around, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And continue to be happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.